It is our motto to always aim high and our vision to empower every individual with knowledge and self-confidence. It is our mission to enable students to develop as intellectually alive, morally upright, socially responsible citizens with positive attitude, ever ready for continuously personal and professional's growth. Sunshine Public School is serving the cause of education from nursery to SSLC. Sunshine Public School, which is located in the heart of the city, is known for its value-based teaching. Since 2005, SS Group of Educational Institution bear the torch of education which lightens the path of life of students. Sunshine Public School is one of the prestigious school of Ramgondanalli in Anantapura. Sunshine Public School is take caring about children's like parents.
Hi everyone, I am Manas from 8th standard. I am talking about Sunshine Public School. I love my school because I have attended for this school 1 year. My school has a very big playground for students. Classrooms are very specific and very beautiful because I am enjoying studying there.
My daughter name is Rachita. She is studying in SS Group of Educational Institution, Anantapura, Ramgondanalli. The teachers are all very good and very cooperative. My daughter's studying in very well.
From the past years, the Sunshine Public School is getting the Best Teachers Award. Other than studies, the school also teaches yoga, physical education and PT, which empowers the students physically.
As a principal of the school, I feel honored and privileged to be a part of this institution. Our school aim is to nurture our students into live human beings by imparting quality education and social knowledge.
Educational methodology is an excellent blend of curriculum and extracurricular activities while strengthening the students academically. Van facility is also available. The school bus and vans are kept in neat and hygienic with good seats and better drivers.
Education is the gift that no one can take away. It seems always impossible until it's done. Imagination is more important than knowledge. Honesty is the best policy.
सनशाइन पब्लिक स्कूल बहुत अच्छा है। 2 साल से मेरा बेटा इसी स्कूल में पढ़ रहा है, इसलिए हर क्लास में अपना टॉप आता है। 1 क्लास में भी टॉप आया था, 2nd क्लास में भी अभी अच्छा पढ़ रहा है। टीचर भी इस स्कूल की बहुत अच्छी हैं, प्रिंसिपल सर बहुत अच्छे हैं, इसलिए मुझे सनशाइन पब्लिक स्कूल बहुत अच्छा लगता है। सनशाइन पब्लिक इज द बेस्ट।
Hi everyone, my name is Chaitra. I am working here from past 2 years. Our school is very good. Our school environment is very calm. Our children learn very good things here. They are very happy to come to school. Our management is very good and supportive to us.
Within a short duration, Sunshine Public School achieved in its identity with committed efforts to provide excellent education for students. Sunshine Public School is professionally managed by SS Group of Educational Institutions.
I work in this institute with a great hope and a good desire every day, and I start every day with a new hope and a new idea.
The teachers teaching the students in friendly manner by which the students can understand easily. Highly qualified, experienced and professional teachers are teaching in the school of SS Group of Educational Institutions. Sunshine Public School has spacious computer lab to accommodate the education of computer for students.
Computer is an electronic machine. We have spacious lab with number of computers. Computer education in schools plays an important role in students' career development.
Principal will be very friendly with teachers and concerned about children's. Principal Sri R.B. Biregowda professionally worked hard for bringing the school to the high level. The parents also encourage their children to take part and participate in various school activities. Parents also take part in various competitions held by school like Rangoli competition.
Good morning one and all. I am Suman from 6th standard. My school name is Sunshine Public School. Honesty is the best policy. Only in the darkness you are able to see the stars. Imagination is more important than knowledge. Think before you ink.
Since 1 year I am working here as a teacher. Throughout the year we conduct scholastic and non-scholastic activities like spell bee and calligraphy. The management gives us support and guidance in all aspects. I feel very proud to be part of the Sunshine Public School.